Hello.
Hi.
We weren't expecting to make a vlog today, but I guess we'll make a quick
What's
one.
our room number?
So we're at the Pfister in downtown Milwaukee.
We've been haunted here before.
And I checked in. Long story short, had a free
That's gonna be
room.
the creeps.
Had a free room. So we're like, fuck it, let's do it. Here's our room.
I'm scared.
These hallways remind me of like
The
Shining or something. But also phone booth. They're very wide. Wide hallways.
No,
Anyway,
it's more the shiny than the fountain flow.
long story is this is a haunted hotel. So when I checked in, this is not the room we're supposed to be in. I walked up and said, "Can I have your most haunted room?" So she moved us to this one. She said, "Technically it's an upgrade. I'll give it to you, but here you go." So we're in the old tower. There's a new and old tower. So we're in the original hotel of the Pfister in Milwaukee, a haunted hotel in the most haunted
We've
room.
been haunted here before.
We have, well,
Come on.
who knows?
Travis.
Something happened before.
Travis.
Okay, no, we don't.
We can call it a haunting.
We'll see what happens tonight, but we're in room 410.
I don't want to be woken up at 2 a.m.
We'll give you a room tour right now.
Yep.
So this is a room tour, room 410 at the Pfister in downtown Milwaukee. You walk in, there is a wet bar to your left. Couch. This is like a whole living area. Again, when we checked in, we asked for the most haunted room. We were upgraded to this suite here in the old tower. There is a new and old tower. I don't know what that is across there, but it looks neat.
Apparently it's very haunted.
Well, that's a different building. So you got a little living area here, couch, some chairs, a little desk over here. Like I said, a wet bar over there. Maybe. The room was free. I got this through an Amex comp on a bedroom. It's a very neat room. Heidi keeps saying she's scared. Like the ceilings in here must be like 12 feet, 13 feet. It's nice. TV. Closet. Bathroom. Just one vanity, mirror. What's crazy is, here's the bathroom and shower. A little water pressure check. I would rate that a 5 out of 10. The water pressure could be better. I love the handles on the doors are just absolutely fantastic. Like amazing antique metalwork here. Fantastic. They're on every door, even the door you check in, or the door outside. King bed. And we're looking east. This is looking east. There's that building across the street. I don't know what it is, but it looks nice. And he's out here. Like I said, we checked in just completely. We didn't even bring a bag because we live around town. We didn't know we were gonna do this. It was free. I was drinking, and then checked.
Now we're stone cold sober because we're scared.
Heidi's scared, but I think we're gonna go to dinner.
Travis isn't scared.
But that's the room here in 410 here at the Pfister.
Look at the door though.
Yeah, the door is massive.
Like, can you believe
And
Dude, if you're coming to Milwaukee, you can't believe there's a hotel.
the privacy sign is like leather. It's a very nice hotel. It's probably not probably. It is the best hotel in Milwaukee.
Yeah.
I
like your little photo collage over there. Did you showcase that? That's cool.
now, but there it is. In-room dining menu. I don't know if she comes with the in-room dining. I'm guessing not. But there you have it. So we shall see what happens later on today. Will be fun. Anyway, I think we're gonna go get some dinner now. We've made it back to our room.
Why are we whispering?
The elevator is already playing tricks on us.
We got in the elevator, you have to use your key card, and we're staying on the 4th floor, and it thought it was going to the 5th floor.
I didn't even push a button.
No,
Got us to the 5th
nobody
floor.
did.
Anyway, we're gonna.
But I feel like this is just, okay, what's going on?
Oh, that's a real person. Okay. All right, we're going to our room. While we're leaving the Pfister, was our room haunted?
It was not.
However, I could not sleep because I was worried about it being haunted. So I got like the worst night's sleep ever, which is a shame because the room was really nice. But anyhow, we're leaving. No haunting.